All right, how you doing? Jason Garza here. Hope you're having a great day. I recently wrote a blog post giving a review to the Home Business Academy. I'll put the link to that blog post down below in the description. But I wanted to shoot a quick video just to go over a few quick key points and kind of give you can see here on my screen, giving you a behind the scenes view of my back office. And I wanted to put an emphasis on going over the HBA premium traffic and conversions package that they have. I am a HBA premium member. They have other resources. They have the funnel builder, which is really important if you have either a network marketing business or you're trying to sell products or services as an affiliate. Then they have the Freedom Launchpad, which that's a completely different conversation, as well as the Financial Literacy Academy. That's a different conversation for another video. But, one of the things that came to mind and have other people have asked me is, why does someone even need the Home Business Academy? Well, if you're doing anything online, then you need to have a funnel builder, which the Home Business Academy provides. They provide their, I think I'm already logged in. I can log in super quick here so you can see kind of like a behind the scenes, but their funnel builder is much less expensive. There's much less of a learning curve than some of the other funnel builders that I have. Here's some of my funnels that I have operating right now, but there's much less of a learning curve, and it's just basically, you really need to have a funnel builder so you can separate yourself, brand yourself as, someone within a network marketing company or someone that is promoting a specific affiliate product. The funnel builder allows you to brand you instead of the company or that specific product. So the other reason that you need the HBA, the Home Business Academy, is because of the training that it provides. So the training is good for you, but you got to think of it this way. If you're building a network marketing business or you're an affiliate, then instead of you having to do all the training and you having to explain something to every single person on your team, this is a way for you to leverage the Home Business Academy to free up your time and your energy and provide this for them so that they can get all the training and resources that they need. They can have their own funnel builder, right? So you as an affiliate, you can offer this to people on your network marketing team so that you don't have to do all the training. You can send them to the Home Business Academy. They can just figure out how to attract customers and how to, do the different free and paid marketing strategies to build their business, which would mean that they'd stick with you and be there for the long term. The other reason that I really like the Home Business Academy, and especially the Home Business Premium package, is because you get paid 80% if other people purchase this through your affiliate link. So that allows you, if you're in a low ticket network marketing company and you're building your brand, trying to build your business and stuff like that, by being an affiliate with the Home Business Academy, this allows you to take kind of a stair-step approach and offer this as a way of training the people on your team. And in a byproduct of that is the people that decide to utilize all the training and stuff within the Home Business Academy, and they're using the funnel builder and all the different tools and training, you're going to be able to earn that amount of money every single month, which is going to free you up a lot faster than if you were, just trying to build a nutrition business or what have you, without being able to utilize this, the Home Business Academy platform. The other reason, and this was something that I really focused on when I was given the Home Business Academy review on my blog post, is the Home Business Academy takes all of the theories that we have about building an online business and getting traffic and what type of conversion funnels work the best. A lot of that stuff is theory when you're first starting out, and until you've thrown money at it and lost some of it and wasted your time, etc., you don't really know if those things are working or not. So by following the Home Business Academy, you're following people who have already been there and already done that. And that's not something that really gets spoken of a lot, is you're able to drastically shorten the learning curve by learning from people that are already doing it. So that is just, it's really hard to put a price on that, because you're not wasting your time anymore, you're not wasting your money, and you're using proven strategies instead of trying to go out there and test your own theories out in the marketplace, having to spend your money or having to use your time and not even knowing if you're going to get any results. So this is, when you're going through the HBA premium traffic and conversion courses, the first whole section is just, it's going over all the steps and everything before you actually even start getting traffic. Then all of the next modules go over the different free ways that you can get traffic to your product or service that you're promoting out in the marketplace. Then there's an extensive paid traffic, which I learned a lot from that on the paid traffic section. It really opened my eyes to a couple of things that I wasn't really even thinking of. Getting sales and conversions. So it's one thing to be able to attract leads to your offers, but you have to be able to convert them also. So this is just, I'm actually going to upload this video to YouTube, and I'm going to attach it to the blog post that I did on the Home Business Academy review. And I just wanted to kind of go over a few things that, sometimes we don't think about it when you're getting an affiliate product, but this is a great affiliate product to have because of the not only does it offer the products, but it also offers the training on how to get leads and how to build a good capture page and complete sales funnel. Even has done for you funnels, and it goes over different things in the Financial Literacy Academy. So I highly recommend the Home Business Academy, both as an affiliate and or if you just want to have the training and have the funnel builder. I highly recommend it. And I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to attach this to my blog post. And again, you can check that out. You can check out the blog post down, and I'll have the link in the description. I'm going to do a completely different video on the HBA funnel builder, because I think I'll go more in depth on what I'm doing to completely build out my sales funnel for the network marketing business that I'm in, as well as some different affiliate products that I'm promoting. This is Jason Garza, and I'll see you on the next video.